Hi guys, I'm Czech, technical engineer at Intercom region in Advantech. So today I would like to introduce to you guys a new product, LoRaWAN wireless vibration sensor. We talk about the feature and also the application. WISE-2410 is a LoRaWAN wireless condition monitoring sensor integrated with a RMA Cortex M4 processor, a LoRaWAN transceiver, 3-axis accelerometer, and temperature sensor. It balances the wireless bandwidth between WISE-2410 and the gateway. It also mitigates the data transmission fail rate between end device and the gateway. Advantech WISE-2410 is a smart sensor for vibration and temperature. It can predict the failure and the maintenance of a machine, such as motor, compressor, pump, or a HVAC by checking the health status before it's going down. The WISE-2410 sensor installation meets the industry standard for any kind of motor. So for that, in Advantech, we provide extra accessory, such as metal base. You just need to fix in the bottom of the WISE-2410, and also we provide a magnetic base for any type and any size of motors. So WISE-2410 not has many great features. As you can see, first, it supports LoRaWAN protocol. Secondly, with a compact size with 8.3 centimeter for height and 4 centimeter for wide, it can be installed in anywhere and support a wide range of temperature from -20 to 85. Okay, there is two ways to power our WISE-2410. The first way is to use external battery. So here I will demonstrate how to power on with external battery. You just take it off the box, and now you insert the battery in each side of WISE-2410, just right there. And the second way, you can power on the WISE-2410 by using a USB cable. Here we have a USB slot, and you can just insert the cable here. Okay, so this is a good way because we can save the user time for wiring cost and also cabling effort. And the battery life cycle can reach actually 2 years if the customer set the data transmission once every hour. It complies with ISO 10816 standard specified for mechanical vibration, measurement for vibration velocity, severity motors, pump, fan, compressor, and so on, that operate in 10 to 1000 Hz frequency range. It also supports IP66 design. It is using an IP66 waterproof case to increase its robustness in hazardous for unsafe environment. Finally, WISE-2410 sensor send the data to the LoRaWAN gateway. WISE-6610 actually can support up to 500 nodes, that means WISE-2410. So let me show you the WISE-6610 as well. The WISE-6610 LoRa gateway is a high-performance LoRaWAN gateway that offers reliable connectivity for industrial environment. It supports LoRa protocol for building LoRa private and public network, as well as various protocols including MQTT. It also complies with node rate features. The hardware and software flexibility for WISE-6610 provides rich features for edge intelligence system, and its support for VPN tunneling with various protocols ensures safe communication. Okay, now let me show an example of WISE-2410 application with a combination of the gateway WISE-6610. As I mentioned before, our LoRaWAN WISE-2410, our gateway supports a node range function. So you can use this function to design your own dashboard but Advantech already built a free dashboard for users to visualize the data. So this is how it look like the dashboard. In the left side, you can see all of the information about the end node, the device address, the power source. Here we power by battery, and also the battery voltage. And for this is the MQTT data standing from WISE-2410 to 6610. In the middle, you can see the velocity RMS data and acceleration data from x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. You can also see the temperature. So here I mentioned that this is not the temperature for a room, it's the temperature for a motors. In the right side, you can see the alarm status for x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, also for the temperature.